Have you checked out Change Cars yet? That's the website where you can find your next car, because they only list cars from franchise dealers, giving you total peace of mind. That's changecars.co.za.
Stay nice and close to me up in front, please. The closer you are to me, the easier this is.
So we're heading out on the track in the A45s, the new one. Justin, next to me. Hey, congratulations on your new job, Justy.
Thank you, thank you.
First things first, hey, we got to get this. Now listen, this is some kind of little monster. What's the output on this engine now?
So we've got 310 kilowatts and 500 Newton meters of torque.
Are you serious?
From a 2 liter. I mean, a carton of milk is doing this.
Hey, just listen to the pops and bangs, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Oopsie, need to. I mean, I've challenged to stay with the car in front, right? That's the big deal.
Yes.
So, am I doing okay so far?
You are doing perfect, good sir.
I mean, like, being the front car of the journo cars means you can't exactly embarrass yourself, right?
Absolutely not.
So, I'm doing my best here, Justin.
You're doing a good job, sir. A fantastic job. Hitting those apexes properly.
I don't want to hit the back of our lead car, though. That's
We've got brilliant brakes on this car, Alan.
Hey,
I'm sure you are experiencing.
How's these sound effects, man?
It's so cool, hey?
I love the pops.
The pops are cool.
The pops. I mean,
the pops are cool.
You play with this car for the pops, don't you?
You know, we don't play games at AMG. We don't do verpa. We do proper pops and bangs.
What's verpa? Please. Pop bang, pop bang. Yeah,
Exactly.
that's what we want. Hey, I love this. I mean, I'm in my element, pal. You know that.
This is great, eh? Got Kyalami to ourselves.
Yeah.
Amazing cars.
And hitting the apexes, right?
Oh, hitting the apexes. This is what AMG is all about.
Now, all my haters are going to tell me I'm an old man, right? What's the old man doing around the track here?
You're doing a good speed.
Now, this is one time you can show the speedo on the car, Justin.
Yes.
Okay, because just clock it when we go down the main straight, okay?
Okay.
Let's see what we can do then.
See what we can do, Alan.
Oh, let that do that pop!
How's that in-gear acceleration?
Off. I mean, second to the E2E I took around just now, which is like a different world, right?
Absolutely.
This is unbelievable. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, you watch that. Just tell me what I hit as a max.
We're at 180 now. 190. 200.
We did the 200. Oh, I had to stand.
Use the brakes. Use the brakes.
I used the brakes there. I think I may have given our lead car a bit of a fright there, but I was trying to clock 200.
There we go.
I had to just hit the 200 mark.
200 kilometers an hour down the back straight.
At Kyalami.
Oh, what a day.
Hey, this is what we call a tough day at the office.
Oh yes, you are actually. I'm also at the office.
Yeah, you're at the office in a different way for the first time too.
Absolutely.
Jeez, man. Justy, we're going to miss you on that side of things.
I'm going to miss you too, Alan. I really did enjoy our chats, but you know what? We'll see you at a lot of Mercedes events.
Well, I'm not. No, I won't do what I often do. Okay, I'm not going to put you on the spot.
Put me on the spot.
Put you on the spot. I better be on every list of yours. Okay. Is that a fair deal, pal?
I love you, Alan. We'll do that.
Good job. Well done, gentlemen. Nice lines, good speed all round. Well done.
And then, Alan, you know, like if you look at on the steering wheel there, right? If you turn that race dial on the other side,
yeah, that one, yeah.
and you turn it down into C for comfort.
Yeah, well, sport, comfort. There we go, comfort mode.
But now it's just a hatchback.
Yeah,
Now it's just a quiet hatchback.
Yeah, but that's boring.
But for when your wife drives it.
Hey, do you think? Listen,
when you don't want her to know that this practical hatchback that you bought is actually a road demon.
Yeah, but then what you got to do is you got to actually you got to change the knob here.
Yeah,
it's got to be more hidden. Yeah, the wife hiding mode.
Yes.
The problem is, let my wife loose, she'll use it. That's the thing. Have you seen the way she drives some of these cars?
I can't imagine.
You're going to get me into trouble. You do know this.
I think so.
Is that your response for trying to put you on the spot just now?
I think so, yeah. Nice one, Alan.
Nice, Justy. Thanks, man.